Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well and hope you're having a great day. Alhamdulillah, my day has been so lovely. So today I am making naan, and this naan, guys, you guys are absolutely going to love this because it's soft, it literally melts in your mouth. It is super delicious. So before we begin, please subscribe and press that bell button, and also share with your family and friends. Let's start making this delicious naan. So in a sieve, add 2 cups of plain flour. I'm using a spoon because it's just easy for myself, but of course you can use your hands. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Remember, baking soda and baking powder are different. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and give that all a good mix. And now I am adding 1/2 cup of yogurt. All the ingredients are in the description below, guys, so yeah, do have a look. Now add warm water as required. I used approximately 100 milliliters. And we are making this flour into dough. Remember to add the water gradually and not all together. And this stage took me about 5 minutes, so yeah, do take time on it. And yeah, we're just going to dough this like we do for chapati flour. So it will seem a little sticky, but that's fine, that's absolutely normal because it will come together. I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil, and this is when it comes together. Just doughing again so the oil combines well. And you will now notice that the dough is starting to become more smooth and less sticky, and this is when you know that the dough is now done. So we're going to now cover this and leave it aside. You can leave it in the bowl it's in, but I like to use a clean bowl, and cover with a cloth and leave for about 2 hours. This naan dough is now ready. Now I am going to be making ball shapes and also be using plain flour to prevent it from sticking, like so. So the dough feels really soft, and this is how it should be. And honestly guys, the end result is incredible. So just making the rest of the balls, and I managed to make 5 out of this dough. So just add some flour on the surface, and with the help of a rolling pin, make a chapati shape. On one side, add water, add a generous amount, so don't be shy with it. And this side, the water side, will go on the flat pan. Also make sure the flat pan, which is also called tawa, is hot. So the heat is on medium now, and yeah, the water side is on the tawa. And once it bubbles, then we shall flip it like so. We're just heating this until it has some brown spots like so. So this is now done. I'm just showing you how it looks before I add some butter on this. Butter on this warm, delicious naan. And that is another one getting made. And there we go, guys. The naan is made. We had this beautiful naan with makhni lamb karahi but style, and the link for this will be in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel. Do share with your family and friends. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.